What is up, guys? This is Broke Cracker back again. We got something a little special here, boys. We're gonna go ahead and murder up this brick here. Oh yeah, this is kind of rare, pretty rare. Not seen these around too much at all. Bada bang, baby. Let's get into it, boys. These are going to be your standard size crackers, guys. I've never shot these, never seen a single pack of these, but we're about to, so it's all good. I don't know if I can even get more of these, guys. I hope I can. I hope so, but fuck it. Let's do it. These will probably be all red crackers, boys, which is not really a bad thing. I think these are going to be some good hitters, and these are absolutely not going in the trash bucket, boys. These might go in the Broke Crackers Firecracker World Championship, boys. If they do, they'll probably be the last contenders. Some of the last, very, very last here, boys. Yeah, these are gonna be hard to find here, boys. All right, let's go. Very nice, very nice. Alright, boys, let's take a look. There you go, boys. Some Wiseguy firecrackers here, boys. And like usual, we're going to go ahead and open a pack for you guys. Yeah, they're all reds. I think these might be some hitters, though. I'm not sure. We're going to definitely check these out, boys. These are far and few between here, guys. Let's take a look here, boys. Yes, we got some more and more packs, boys. More and more. Yeah, these are fucking cool. We're gonna check these out, boys. I'm gonna do a demo. Definitely doing a demo on these guys here, boys. Something a little special here for you guys. And you know how to do it, boys. You take her easy.